So you're looking at a drone skin. This is actually 1/3 of the actual drone size. So we're doing a subscale here, but it's a drone skin that's made out of metal. You know, a lot of people, when you talk about drones, they think of composites, which is like a lighter material, but it's very expensive. Metal drones gives you cheaper material, but also it allows you to automate the process using our RoboCraftsman, right? So our RoboCraftsman automate the process of forming as well. So it's lower land labor, it's not arts and crafts anymore, and it's cheaper feedstock. Why drones now? The warfare has changed. The move has gone from, bespoke weapons that were very expensive, only the United States had access to, like $100 million fighter jets, to weapon systems that are significantly cheaper. And drones are now playing a big part. If you look at Russia, Ukraine conflict, the main kind of fighting force over there is actually these cheaper drones. You see the same thing happening in Israel, the same thing happening in Iran. Iran actually has this very famous designer drone called Shahed drone that's only cost $40,000, $50,000 to manufacture. It's pretty lethal. If you have these like $40,000 weapon systems that you have to kind of defend against with $2 million missiles, at some point you're going to lose out the war. There's a lot of focus within the United States and our allied economies to build weapon systems that are as cheap as Shahed drone. We focused on applying our technology, RoboCraftsman, to making drones out of metal, which is significantly cheaper feedstock, but also automated, meaning that I can deploy this to areas of need. For example, we can have a cell running in Ukraine, we can have a cell running in the Gulf regions and manufacture drones right there, right? Without any expertise from labor side that need to also be present. We are basically responding to this need from Department of War around being able to make weapon systems that are cheaper, easier to produce, can easily be distributed, can be done near the point of need and in the contested supply chain environment. Our view is eventually we need to manufacture in space. So the closest environment to the space is these contested supply chain environments, like in conflict zones. If you can manufacture there, we're kind of starting taking baby steps to be ready to manufacture on Mars. It's a hard to operate environment that if you learn how to manufacture there, it can easily translate eventually to manufacturing in space, which is our ultimate goal, right? We are at the Ntopology's event in El Segundo, and we are a fully automated way to manufacture that drone. We can use their software to make the designs and come up with the right design, and then immediately right after that, send the design to the robots and manufacture them in our cells. So you're gonna actually see a fully formed drone that has been designed by nTop and manufactured by us.